to install on Nissan Ariya 2022. Step 1. Pry off the rear cover panel of the display screen. Remove the 3 screws holding the screen in place. Remove the screen. Disconnect all the cables on the back of the screen. Remove the center console cover panel. Pry open the cover panel beneath the armrest compartment. Step 2. Connect the Love's cable with the female connector to the brown plug that was disconnected from the OEM's head unit screen. Next, the 2 connectors of the Love's cable connection module. Pull them down from the head unit area to beneath the center armrest. Step 3. Connect the black power cable unplugged from the back of the screen to our Love's cable. Next, bring the power cable already connected to the module over to this location. Then, move it to the area beneath the center armrest. Move the USB cable on the power lead to the same position. Step 4. Connect the power cable, Love's cable, and Wi-Fi antenna to the module. Step 5. Disconnect the white power cable from the back of the head unit. The white latch facing up. Locate the 2 mic wires, one blue and one black. Connect the microphone wire labeled mic plus to the blue wire. Secure the clip to the blue mic wire. Connect the wire labeled mic to the black wire. Secure the clip to the black mic wire. You can secure it with tape. Reconnect the white power connector to the head unit, then reinstall and secure the head unit in place. Step 5. Reinstall and secure the center console trim panel. Reconnect all cables, including the completed power and Love's cable connections. Then reconnect the screen in place. Tighten the screws and reinstall the cover panel. Step 6. Mount the module in this location using adhesive. Reinstall the cover panel.